Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Pink color, black color, dark blue color, purple color, green color, gray color, yellow color, red color, violet color, lime color, brown color, olive color. A for ant. L for lion. P for peacock. Y for yogurt. D for dish. N for nose. R for rainbow. V for van. C for coffee. M for mango. Q for question. X for Xerox. F for fish. K for king. S for school. U for university. G for gun. I for iron. T for tree. W for watermelon. B for bus. J for juice. O for oxygen. Z for zoo. E for elephant. H for house. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.